Hello guys, yeah. Today we're playing some more. Why can I not move? Oh yeah. Today we're playing some more Big Intercity, but today I just now found a new glitch. See, I'm holding the. Let me. Oh! Is that an SMG? That's definitely an SMG. I shot him in the face. I shooted him in the face. I shooted him in the face. Okay, guys. Let me just unequip this and equip an axe. Okay, come on. Let's fight some infect. Oh, but yeah. Bye. Oh, but yeah, guys. Today we're gonna find some NPCs, guys. As in the last video, I think I did one shout out, guys. Yeah, I did. Actually, I did a shout out. Yeah, I never remember clearly. I did one shout out, guys, to Creekcraft because do I still have the I still don't have. Whoa! Get that! Run! Ah! I will never give my axe. Ah! Help! From this people who want a axe. Help. People want a axe. What the? Yeah, guys, wait. I have taken for video, so yeah. And guys, wait. I was also telling something, guys. Yeah, I was telling that don't know why I gave this shout out because he did a video showing that Minitoon has a. Oopsie, wrong game. Minitoon having a lightsaber, guys. So yeah, let me show you the NPCs, guys. Oh yeah, guys, and also he also recorded the NPCs. Now we know where is the NPCs. So yeah, guys. Finally. Okay, wait. Where is that NPC? Wait, what's the dot? Wait, is that the NPC? Yes, I think that's the NPC. It's not moving for. It should be like moving if it was an infected. At least now it should be moving. It's not. Yeah, it's definitely. Guys, I just want to tell you one thing. Maybe this. See, guys, you see the NPC, right? Maybe this NPC is actually could be like a pig or a dog. It could be like that because because yesterday. Wait, is it? No. Day before yesterday, I think. Oh no, somebody wants to take my axe. Yeah, guys, this is what she basically says. Oh no, I am in the same server. Where did I? Phew, they are gone. Phew, they are gone. Okay, guys. Let's find some gas, maybe, because last time when I first came here, I saw some gas, guys. Maybe we could be lucky to find some. Oh man, there's no gas. I couldn't find it here. Wait, is there a car actually? If there's no car, that means looking for the gas was actually not worth it. But yeah, let's go. Anyways, yeah, guys. Anyways, if you wanna find a NPC, it's like right here. Oh, looks like we got some visitors. Hey, not fair. That's it. That's fair. Guys, this is weird. There's like, oh wait, there's the school, but why is there no infected? Maybe somebody just ran a, oh. First let me get the loot because there's no infected here. A good water break should be good. Now it's good. Let me just go down. Guys, there's another survivor here and his name is Survivor. Okay, hello Survivor. Oh yeah, I actually took all of the loot from here. Hey, why is he searching for the... No, that's the station. That's where you came from. Okay, looks like I'm never gonna come. I wonder when he's gonna realize that's where he came from. I wonder if he even searched the station. Okay, this is weird, guys. There's no infected in the school. What? Oh, there's one oh, that's a player, right? Nope, never gonna happen here, Mr. Player. Nope, I know who are you. You are infected. Nope. Oh no. Get to the car. Please have gas. No. Oh no. Help. Please be not infected. Good. A good bunny. Come on. Run away from this. You got to be kidding me! Guys, did you not notice? I didn't notice that the forest is here and I could literally just go from the forest to there instead of going to the station and then coming here. Oh my gosh, how did he not even... okay, whatever. Oh wow, I got 51 can of food and 36 water. Okay. Go away, you monsters! Going into the school was a very, very bad idea. Yeah. I really don't. That was a bad idea going to the school. But yeah, I am getting near to the NPC. But I cannot talk though because of these infected. There are only some of them. I need to get closer. Good. There are no infected. Now let me find that NPC. Is there an NPC? Yes, I think I see something in the distance. It's like a black thing. Yes, it's coming. And yeah, guys, I want to tell you one thing. I think, see guys, I think that's a raccoon. See, guys, you see that? Yes, guys, that is a raccoon, right? Guys, see, you can see that this animal is a raccoon, but maybe it could be like a cat, a dog. It could be like that because you are in a different server now, guys. So yeah, just remember that. I have always wondered what's on the other side of the sea. There is probably someone on the other side and asking the same question. And let's see what she. You think a boat might come someday? Yeah, guys, that's all it says. But yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe because and give a like, guys. Today I think. Guys, today I just wait, guys, let me show you. Guys, I made this. I just made. Oh yeah. You can like see the spawn here, but yeah, guys, if you just see this, yeah, it's basically this, guys. Okay, Creatcraft is oofed. There's some piggy here. Robbie is just seeing the birthday thing. Guys, be careful with this George. This George actually oof you for some reason. I'll show you proof. Ooh. See, I just pushed him. Just oof. Yeah, guys, this is my funny game. It's actually not a game because I didn't publish it. Because, and guys, if you're wondering what's this this is actually like I'm gonna keep some badges, but it's still I still didn't did the code. This is just the preview, and if you're wondering what's that, I'll explain. This is something coming soon. You cannot actually come out because you know that thing. Oh, so is watching Preston plays and in Minecraft. Yeah, there's some secrets. Like, if you're wondering what's that, you'll understand when I come outside. Like, this is one badge. I have to come there. And like, there's something secret here, guys. There's a dinosaur. That's also one badge, and there's some more. Actually, thought to keep. Yeah, if you just saw it. What's this yellow? Is there something else? What else is there? Wait, is that all the things that I kept? Let me, George, please oof me. George, please oof me. So yeah, guys, there's another secret like that Roblox thing. Wow. No, don't fall down. Is that all? I think that's all the badges things that I made. But yeah, guys, this game is coming soon. I think I'm gonna release the game. It's called as Piggy's Birthday. It should be releasing today, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna release it soon today. So I guess I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. So yeah, bye bye.